Hi, welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Kassi and I am your host. And like I said before, it is February 17th, just a little past 6 o'clock, and it is time for me to pick the giveaway winner for my February giveaway. And on here you can see some of the items from that giveaway. So I have taken this video URL over here at this random YouTube comment picker, and I put that URL right there in that spot. I decided to filter out duplicate users, only one entry per person, and I excluded myself, although I don't think that I commented back. As a general rule, I don't comment back to my giveaways, but I just wanted to make sure. And we did the equation. So we are going to get YouTube comments. I'm really interested to find out how many people entered this giveaway. Wow, 418. All right, guys, so there's 418 of you, and we're about to pick one of you guys by hitting this start button. Now, I don't have any control over what it picks. This is a random comment picker used by like some kind of computer generated thing. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit start, and you're going to see some names fly by, but it's going to land on one. The one that it lands on, that's the one that's winning this February giveaway. All right, guys, good luck. And we have Chris Goddard. I love all the things in the free giveaway. I like to shop Darn Good Yarn and Mary Maxim for mystery yarns. You know, I had asked you guys to give me some ideas of some different yarn shops that you shop from, and I had a couple of different reasons for that, but without going into it, you guys gave me so many great ideas. Thank you guys so much, and thank you, Chris, for answering that question. And congratulations, Chris, for winning the giveaway. So, Chris, here's what I need for you to do. I need for you to look either in the video description or in that pinned comment and find my email. I'll need you to send me an email with a mailing address where you can receive mail. And as soon as you send that to me, I will pack up the giveaway winnings and mail it out to you. All right. So that said, everybody else, no worries. I have got another giveaway that is going to be posting tomorrow. So make sure to catch that. Let's go ahead and congratulate Chris together on winning this giveaway, but always know that I have many giveaways for you guys, and I will get one more up tomorrow. That said, you guys gonna want to stick around either tonight and tomorrow. Make sure that you catch my new video for my new colorway, because I've got the Vice and Virtue colorway coming out today too. In fact, I think that video is almost done edited, and it's going to be uploaded soon. And I still have Baby, my cat, I still have his birthday present opening to upload to YouTube as well. So you're going to get a couple of other videos as well. That said, I will see you soon in another video. Bye.